Kabisado ko na ang tamis ng iyong labi. Kabisado ko na. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. So for today's video, quick disclaimers first. I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to be playing for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So all in all, it's going to be the F minor 7, E minor 7, D sharp minor 7, G sharp 7, C sharp major 7, F sharp major 7, B7 chord, the A sharp minor 7 chord, F sharp minor 7, A sharp 7, which is going to be this one right here, and the D major 7 chord. Okay, so when it comes to the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be yep, just like that. It's going to be down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down. Now if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and this part of your thumb for the up strums. It's going to be down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, forming kind of like a finger heart, like that. Just strumming along. But if you prefer using a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. Yep, so it's going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And when it comes to holding your pick, make sure that it's going to be holding your pick like so, perpendicular to your thumb, pinching it with your index finger, and make sure that only the tip's sticking out like that. And make sure that your forearm, wrist, and your hand is not too loose nor too tight, so that you'll be able to strum comfortably when it comes to playing this song. So once again, it's going to be down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And with that said, an entire strumming pattern is going to be worth for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And those 4 counts can also be divided into 2 parts as well. So the first 2 counts is going to be the first 2 down strums, which is going to be like this. And then the last 2 counts is going to be the rest of the strumming pattern. So it's going to be up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yep, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when it comes to the intro as well as the pre-chorus sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. So it's going to be the F minor 7 chord for 4 counts, which means we're going to be doing our strumming pattern once. It's going to be like this. Followed by the E minor 7 chord for 4 counts, and the D sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. And for this chord, namely the G sharp 7 chord for 4 counts, to make it as accurate as possible when it comes to the original audio of the song, we're just going to be doing 2 down strums for this one. So it's going to be yep, just like that. So in order to get that sound right, I recommend doing the first down strum as quick as you can. Then using this part of your palm to mute the strings afterwards. It's going to be like this. Yep, like that. And then letting it ring on the second down strum afterwards. It's going to be stop, then ring. Yep. Just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the first verse section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the C sharp major 7 chord for 8 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern twice. It's going to be like this. It's going to be yep, one more. Then F sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. then the B7 chord for 4 counts. Then after that, just repeating that chord progression one more time. So once again, C sharp major 7 chord for 8 counts. F sharp major 7, then the B7 chord for 4 counts. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Lumang tugtugin ang gusto mo, adik ako sa iyong pabango, kahit ano ang bagay sayo, ang mga ibon ay sumusunod sa. Okay, so when it comes to the first and the second chord sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, first up is going to be the C sharp major 7 chord once again for 8 counts. It's going to be like this. Then the A sharp minor 7 chord for 8 counts. F sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. F sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Then the C sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then our G7 chord trick is going to be. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Kabisado ko na ang tamis ng iyong labi. Kabisado ko na ang oras ng iyong muwi. Di na kailangan pa ikaw ay magsalita. Okay, so when it comes to the second verse section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Similar to the first verse section earlier, but instead of repeating the chord progression twice, we're only going to be doing it once now this time. So once again, C sharp major 7 chord for 8 counts. It's going to be like this. F sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. And the B7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Nang mapaulan ng Panginoon, ng kagandahan, nabuhos lahat sa'yo. Okay, so when it comes to the bridge section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be like this. For this one, we're going to be using the first half of the strumming pattern. It's going to be like that, followed up with the B7 chord for 2 counts, which we're going to be playing with the second half of the strumming pattern now this time. Then the C sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, so one more time, it's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts, 7, the C sharp major 7. Yep, just like that. Then afterwards, it's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Once again, first half of the strumming pattern. B7 chord for 2 counts, using the second half of the strumming pattern. Then the C sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. Once again, first half of the strumming pattern. Then the A sharp 7 chord for 2 counts, second half again. Then the D sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts is going to be this one right here. Then the D major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, so in this part right here with the F sharp minor 7 chord up until the D major 7 part, so for those 2 counts, there's going to be a bit of a rhythm change or a timing change, if you will, when it comes to the strumming patterns. So they're all going to be still 2 counts each for these highlighted chords right here. But we're just going to be matching it along with the way that the singer or you would be singing this song. So it's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 2 count. It's going to be this one. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Then back to your regular strumming pattern. Back to the D sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. give it a little bit more emphasis, or you know what I mean, like that punch when it comes to playing this song. And once you finally figure that out in one smooth motion, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Kahit saan mapunta, tanging dalangin ko ay mapasayo. Okay, so when it comes to the third chorus section of this song, chord progression is going to be like this. Yep, once again, C sharp major 7 chord for 8 counts. A sharp minor 7 chord for 8 counts. F sharp major 7 chord for 8 counts. Then the B7 chord for 8 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Kabisado ko na ang tamis ng iyong labi. Kabisado ko na ang oras ng iyong uwi. Di na kailangan pa. Di na kailangan pa. Okay, so lastly for the outro section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, so this is the part where Blaster plays his solo at the end of the song. It's just going to be this one chord right here, played for 16 counts, or 4 times you're going to be doing the strumming pattern that I've taught you guys earlier. So it's just going to be C sharp major 7 chord for the whole thing. It's going to be 3, 4. Once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. And yeah, that is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that more of you guys will be able to stay up to date with future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials or any other video for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.